Join us and discover beautiful beaches, rugged landscapes, pretty towns, desolate mountain ranges that sweep down to stunning lakes, unique architecture, history and folklore, no shamrocks, no shillelaghs, and definitely no shenanigans, just naked Ireland. We are entering the gates of the Tollymore Forest Park at Bryansford near Newcastle, County Down. These Gothic arches, dating from 1786, were built by the Hamilton family, who were owners of Tollymore between 1660 and 1798, at which point ownership transferred through marriage to the Jocelyn family, who owned it up until its transfer to the Ministry of Agriculture in the mid-20th century. The arboretum area dates from 1752, and as you might notice contains trees from all over the world. The walk down to the forest and the river Shimna is beautifully laid out, and its path focuses on another Gothic arch, matching the earlier one, allowing us to pass under to the view from Horn Bridge. The name Tollymore is derived from the Irish, meaning large hill or mound. Travelling further back in history, this area came under the control of the McGuinness clan after the Norman invasion of Ulster in 1177, and in fact by the 15th century they controlled most of the south of County Down. But where does history start? Flint artefacts have been discovered around this river and in the forest that are believed to date from prehistoric periods. Fallow deer, badgers, foxes, pine martens, otters, red squirrels, great spotted woodpeckers, kingfishers and dippers, as well as mandarin ducks, are all part of the unique and diverse wildlife here. Aside from the River Shimna and the forest's obvious natural features, there are also several artificial structures which include bridges, grottos and caves. Now this might be the ideal time, if you're enjoying the film, to hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. Over 80% of people viewing Naked Ireland films do so without subscribing, which of course is fine, but I'd really love it if you'd offer your support and hit the big subscribe button. Not only that, but if you're feeling really appreciative, did you know that you can now buy me a pint? Just follow the link in the second paragraph of the description beneath this video and that'll take you straight to the donation page. It couldn't be easier. Alternatively, if you're watching on a TV screen or computer, you can simply scan the QR code that's on your screen now to visit the donation page. All donations are gratefully received and really help keep these videos coming. This hermitage, designed by James Hamilton in the 1770s, was used as a place for ladies to shelter while men fished. To this day, the river is a spawning ground for salmon and trout. we're taking today is called the Red Trail, which follows the River Shimna as far as Parnell Bridge and then back down the other side. It's 3 miles long. The river has 16 bridges in all. These wooden constructions are obviously more recent additions. This is Parnell Bridge, dating from 1842, named in honour of Charles Stewart Parnell, who visited the area. This whole area is designated an Area of Outstanding Natural Beauty and covers 1,600 acres. The mountains that form the backdrop to Tollymore are, of course, the famous Mourne Mountains.